guys, welcome back to another episode of YTV. I'm your host Amy and this is
Tadiwa. And welcome back to YTV. Jackson, roll that intro.
On Sunday at 1 p.m. we have girls hubs and boys hubs. So if you're a girl, go to Brielle's house in Canberra, and if you're a boy, go to Hamish's house in Waniasa.
On Saturday we have the Working Bee at the church, 8 to 11:30. Make sure you come.
I can't get out. That's one way to get out. Oh shoot, what the?
Oh yeah.
This has been another episode of YTV.
I'm your host Amy and this is... Okay, he just walked away.
Perfect, thank you.